Hi everyone! Immersive Reader is now built into the Microsoft Whiteboard app. So I'm going to quickly demo that for you by taking some text. It can be from any resource. I'm going to, right now you're looking at Discovery Education. I'm in the Science Tech book, and I'm going to just copy some text, click and drag, hold the Control key, hit C on the keyboard to copy. And now I'm going to go to Microsoft Whiteboard. If you do not have this app already installed, you can find it on the Microsoft Store. So I've opened Microsoft Whiteboard. I'm going to click on the canvas and then hit the Control key on my keyboard, followed by V to paste it in. There's the text, and I'm going to drag it right here. And you see I have some tools here. Here's my pen if you wanted to talk about some vocabulary with kids. What is biological diversity? Biodiversity, so you can use these tools to write. But today really the focus is on Immersive Reader. And for those of you who may not know what Immersive Reader is, it is a fantastic tool that makes learning accessible to all of your students. It reads text aloud, and it allows for spacing so that reading is easier, and there's a line focus feature, there's translation features, and the picture dictionary, the list goes on and on. That's a separate training. But I've pasted the text in here, and this toolbar appeared. I'm going to click on the ellipses, the three dots, and go into Immersive Reader. Now immediately it increases the text size, the spacing. You can increase it further if you need to. If that is uncomfortable for your eyes, you can adjust it. A few choices for fonts, etc. Increase font size. But here's the magic. Watch what happens, or listen, when I hit play.
In simple terms, biological diversity or biodiversity can be thought of as the variety of life.
Okay, and you can adjust the speed here. You can change the voice. Here are grammar options I'm not going to really talk about today, but what I do want to share with you are some of the reading preferences. So I'm going to enable line focus, and let me go back over here, and I'm going to scroll to the top, and you can kind of see it's already done it.
In simple terms, biological diversity or biodiversity can be thought of as the variety of life in an area.
So what a great way to help the students focus and comprehend that content and increase their fluency by hearing the text read aloud. To exit out, you would just click in the upper left-hand corner right there. But I'm going to go back in and show you another feature. I'm going to go back into Immersive Reader, and I'm going to go back into the preferences to share another setting. So in preferences, here's where the line focus was. I can enable that. The picture dictionary is on. So if I click on a word, these visual cues are great. So in the preferences, I wanted to share with you the translation feature. So here's English. Look at the number of languages that are available. I'm going to select Spanish. And notice I can do it simply by word, translate by word. It's like, ooh, what is this in Espanol? And I can hear the word pronounced.
Biodiversity. Biodiversidad.
Okay. Or I can go back in and translate the entire document to that second language and have that read aloud. Let me turn it up a little bit. And I'm sorry about the echo. I know there's an echo with the way that I'm recording.
En términos simples, la diversidad biológica o biodiversidad puede ser considerada como la variedad de vida en un área.
And there you have it. So I can go back to the original text here, Spanish here.
Area.
And I can exit here. So that is a tool that you may want to use in front of your class, or definitely let your students know about it, because it's also available in Microsoft OneNote, in Word, Flipgrid, and more. So I hope you let your students know about it, and I hope you give it a try yourselves. Thanks!